Great description, man.
Is that very accurate description?
Surely not.
Sure.
It's Robin.
We've definitely saved the best to last.
Yes.
We've obviously said that it's a friendship couple, and I am hoping and praying someone comes in for them. Just say like, obviously, just hope you're okay. Yeah.
Oh, that looks good.
Communicated with her what's been going on with Aiden.
Yeah, we're gonna trim your ends a little bit.
Those two are gonna I really hate conflicts like this.
I'm gonna do a grapefruit mimosa.
Oh, I'll do peach.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Cheers.
Everyone else had to go to a whole other island with nothing on it and just starve for 24 hours.
All right, let's go.
How do you even orchestrate something like that? Do you think?
Hey y'all, I am about to head out to the beach in a minute. I'm just packing up my bag, but I haven't been to the beach in so long, so I'm really excited to go today because the weather's been like weird. It's been too hot and then it's been raining and storming, but today is a perfect day, so I'm gonna head out to the beach for a while. And this is what I'm wearing. So I have on a swimsuit. Let me show you. I have my swimsuit on, and then I just have this little crop top over it, and then let me back up a little bit, and then I have on some like pants. So, and I put this little top on because I have to go by the store first, and I don't want to be out there like with my boobs all out. But yeah, I'm excited. So I'm packing up my bag. This is my bag I'm using today. My friend gave this to me, I think on one of our trips. My girlfriend gave us all these bags with our initials on them. So I'm gonna pack that up, and then it's just my daughter and I going today. So we're gonna get ready to go and head out. I will see y'all there. I see him.
Keep missing me. Found since like 1906. I was like, what?
It may be haunted.
That's what I was thinking. Storm often he stuck these children in these suits and they died. So then they became alive as animatronics.
Is that what it's about?
Like all the security guards.
After you. I should try something different, but I'm not gonna.